The Button Box by Margaret S. Reed, illustrated by Sarah Chamberlain. My grandma has a special box I like to play with. What is inside? I swirl the buttons around and around, and then I pick the ones I like. 10 have flowers painted on them, just like Grandma's china dishes. I like to sort them first. Next, I look for sparkly buttons. I pretend they are jewels that once belonged to kings and queens and movie stars. Some buttons are covered with cloth, satin, velvet, or corduroy. They make me think of fancy clothes. There are metal buttons from overalls and jeans, leather ones from cowboy shirts and sweaters. This looks like one from Grandpa's winter coat. Grandma says these small ones came from shoes worn long ago. Next, I sort the shiny buttons that come from uniforms. I line them up like marchers in a big parade. The one with the eagle I call Mr. President. I pull out all the pearly ones and make a rainbow pattern. When does little change too big? I can never tell. Some buttons have 4 holes, some 2. Some don't have any sewing holes. They have shanks instead. These make good eyes on puppets or stuffed animals. Sometimes when Grandma sorts with me, we play a special game. We stir the buttons, shut our eyes, and then we each take one. Grandma asks, "Are they alike?" Mine is wooden, so is hers. Both are round and flat, but hers is thick and mine is thin. She puts my button on a string. "Whirl it around," she said. The string twists up. I pull the ends. We listen to it hum. Grandma tells me what some buttons used to be. Some were seashells, some were even sand. Big furnaces heat the sand until it melts. When it cools, it's glass. Wooden buttons come from trees. Deer shed their antlers every winter and grow new ones in the spring. I like the buttons made from their old horns. When it's time to put the buttons back, I pretend I'm very rich, counting all my gold. I like to feel the buttons and the bumpy, the smooth. I like the way they sound, the clickety tapping falling through my fingers, one by one, into the box. Then Grandma puts the box away, where it will wait till next time. I wonder who first figured button out. That's the end.